Hi all, welcome to a new video. Today, May 31 is observed as World No Tobacco Day. This day was started to be celebrated from the year 1987 by the member states of WHO, World Health Organization. It is to raise the awareness regarding the hazardous effects the usage of tobacco products, also to raise the awareness regarding the alternative crop production and the marketing opportunities for the tobacco farmers, and also encouraging them to replace these products by a sustainable or nutritional crop products. Tobacco is actually it is derived from, or it is produced from, a plant product or a plant species, Nicotiana. This nicotine, the tobacco contains nicotine, is the one which creates hazardous effects or adverse effects or dangerous effects in the body. It can lead to cardiovascular disease, it can lead to cancerous conditions, many things it can have. It can affect almost all the health organs. So smoking, like one cigarette of smoking, it can even take 11 minutes of life. That's what is it said to be. 11 minutes of life can be taken by one puff of cigarette smoking, okay, or one cigarette smoking. So there are in different forms of tobacco products. You have cigarettes in the available, cigar, shisha, hookah, e-cigarettes, which delivers nicotine very rapidly. The dip form of tobacco, snus is there. So many available forms are there for tobacco products. So the tobacco products, it can affect when you get rid of the tobacco products. When you don't use tobacco products, you stop using tobacco products. You can improve your lifestyle. You can increase your skin tone. There is a glow in your face. You can improve your heart rate. You can improve your respiratory rate. You get a proper taste in your mouth. When you have some food, you can feel the taste. When a smokers, they cannot enjoy the taste properly, and the 11 minutes of life is wasted. Lung cancer is the most common thing. It is, you can see, as a part of smoking. There are almost all the cancers. One of the reasons is smoking. Okay, except endometrial cancer. So earlier tobacco products were used as a traditional or as a herbal treatment in the cases of like the COPD cases or the pneumonia, bronchitis in early stages. When you take the history, you can see there are tobacco products used as a treatment also. So right now tobacco products, as it contains nicotine, you can never tell it's a safe thing. It is obviously, it is a dangerous effects can be seen. So I am personally awareing you all the thing. Even I am seeing some of my friends used to have, without having a cigarette, they cannot pass the feces, they cannot go to bathroom. It's psychological effect it is actually. They need a cigarette to go to bathroom, to have a motion. To pass tours, they need cigarette. That is a wrong thing. And I don't know why do you understand why. Everyone tells, when I ask personally someone, why are you smoking? I have tension, I have that problem. Is the smoking relieves the tension? No. There is no point. The smoking doesn't relieve the tension. It doesn't reduce the tension. Again you feel tension, again you go and smoke. What's the point of smoking? If smoking relieves tension, if the usage of tobacco products is reducing your tension, you are relieving your stress, okay, fine. It doesn't relieve there. Again, after a few minutes, again they'll go. After 1 hour, again they go and smoke. What's the point in smoking like this? It's an utter waste of smoking. Utter waste to smoke use a tobacco products. It will be an addiction. There is no point in using that. If there is some kind of treatment for it, okay, you can have that. Reducing stress or relieving stress. It's a psychological thing. Okay. To go to bathroom and cigarette. It's a utter waste, I'm saying. Okay. So never smoke. No, if you're smoking, try to stop it here right now. You can improve your lifestyle. You can get enough your happy life there. You can enjoy the taste of the food. You can have a glow in your face, a bright skin can be there, skin tone, improve the heart rate, improve the respiratory rate. You can improve the bowel habits, respiratory problems, the digestive problems, everything can be improved. That's why I say we need food, not tobacco. We need food to live, not tobacco to live. Here, what I was in morning itself, is searching for a tobacco product instead of a food. That's the condition what right now it is there. Tobacco product or drugs, I'm saying. Now drugs is the main thing what we see. So here this day is to raise the awareness regarding the hazardous effects of tobacco products. That's what I'm telling these many things to you.